Hi, second grade friends. Today is day one and also our finish day on our project. This is just a quick review project on lines. We are going to focus on the lines that you were really supposed to learn about this year because other ones were review. Let's go through and refresh our memories on these lines. So we have diagonal, which is corner to corner. We have horizontal, which is side to side, and then we have vertical, which is up and down. Right? Those are the three new lines that you learned about this year. In the past, you had lines that you had already known about. Zigzag, dotted, dashed, curved, straight, spiral, wavy. All right, we're really going to focus on our diagonal lines today. So you're going to need a piece of paper, computer paper, construction paper, lined paper. I'm going to use computer paper, but if you don't have computer paper, that's fine. Your paper, I'm going to let you choose. You can have your paper vertical or horizontal. It's up to you. As always, you're going to do this with pencil first. That way, if you make a mistake, you can erase it. I'm using marker just so you can see. All right, you're going to find a place somewhere on your paper. It doesn't necessarily have to be the middle. It could be off to the side, bottom, and you're going to start with like a little dot. All right, and we're going to make a spider web today. So you're going to start where that dot is with your pencil, and we're going to make a bunch of diagonal lines. So you're going to go from the dot all the way to the edge of the paper. Dot to the edge of the paper. Now wait a minute, what kind of lines am I making? Diagonal lines. Okay, so I'm going to continue until I go all the way around. So yours will look different than mine depending on where you place your little dot. The important part is you go all the way to the edge of the paper. So I have all these diagonal lines now. It doesn't really look like a spider web because we need to go in between these diagonal lines to make curved lines. So we're going to go like this, from one diagonal line to the other. Curve, curve, curve. All right. Now I'm going to find where I had it before. Curve, 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 curve. This one will go off the page. Curve, 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 curve. All right, you get the point. I'm not going to keep going with that part because I don't want the video to be too long. You're going to do that in each of the spaces. Curve, 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 curve. Okay, after you do that with pencil, I want you to find a black marker, a black crayon, a black pen, a black colored pencil, and I want you to go over those pencil lines and make them nice and thick. That way, your spider web will really show up. Right, thick lines. After we go through with our thick lines, if you would like, you could add a spider or spiders. All right, how many legs does a spider have? 8 legs. All right, so we could go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to give him a little web like he's dangling down from the middle. All right, when you get done with your spider web, each of these little sections, you can either use marker or crayon or colored pencil. I want you to have fun and you can color them in. You can choose just 1 or 2 colors. You could choose all the colors of the rainbow. It's whatever you think looks nice. So each little section will be a different color. Remember our rules about coloring. Hide the paper when you color so it doesn't look like scribble scrabble. So this is the right way to color. This is the wrong way. See how that looks sloppy? Right, go back through and hide the paper. Right, this is just a one-day project. When you get done with it, you can go ahead and turn it in. The reason it's one day is just we have that one little bit of time before the 9 weeks is over to fill it in. All right, keep up the good work, friends. I'm proud of you. Bye.